Then I go right into my YouTube app. I go into my section here and I go into a short and I'm going to add that same video. Again, same thing here. I'm going to hit done, go to the next step, take just a moment to process. And again, this is the same place, the next screen on where you would add any music background, you would add any text that you want to have on screen, anything that makes it specific to YouTube is where you would do that there. Okay, so this is the screen that we would do any of that here. I just explained it all. I'm just going to hit next. All right, and then your caption is basically your title, less than 100 characters. This is your hook. This is what gets noticed by your audience. This is what makes people going to watch it. So make sure if you have a hook that this is it. You want it to be as catching, eye-catching, as stimulating as you can. So stop getting eaten alive. All right, and then I'm going to go in here, public. I'm going to set this altered content, no, comments on. I can go to a related video if I want to. If I wanted to, you don't need consistency at the top there, and I want to tell them, have this lead to a story. It will show in the reel when they're watching it, in the short when they're watching it, not reel. And then from there, I will upload the short. Now, in this case, I'm not going to because this is a TikTok shoppable video, but I'm going to save that. But I will show you, once that is done, you will want to go back into it. This one here, I'm going to hit edit. And then I go into description and make sure I put in a description with SEO, because that again is going to help to categorize your video on YouTube. And also it's where you get to put in your links and your products that you are tagging, things like that, that you want them to visit and go to as you put that in here. But you can't do that from the initial upload on YouTube mobile. And then I will also go to tags and add any relevant tags. So tags are like hashtags without the actual hashtag sign, or as I know it as a pound sign. And I also have that here. I have those already set for my video editing niche. It's my little. So I will go into my YouTube here in my boards app. Now I'll go down to the bottom. I already have top video editing tags. I will put that in. You can't have more than 500 characters. It will allow it, but it'll cut it off at some point. So I have all those. So when people are searching for my video, that is what will reference it to me. So I'm just going to save that because I didn't have it on that video. And that's how I upload a video in a series from TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube, all within about 5 minutes. Now that's a process.